Hello, microwave candy grapes. So for my candy mixture, I am going to be using a half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of light liquid corn syrup. I'm going to stir that up really good, and then I'm going to put my candy mixture in my microwave for 6 minutes. After I microwave my candy mixture, I will be adding in a little bit of flavor and color. This is not required, but if you want to, just add in just a little teeny bit, like a drop of flavor and a drop of color. You're going to stir that up, and then you're going to wait for like 1 minute before you start dipping. So these candy grapes took me about 10 minutes to make. They was really quick and easy. Okay, they look good. Let's see how they taste. They taste okay. I forgot I didn't like cotton candy.